Keyboard Beaiñ District but ke Shillong Municipal Board hakas ngin balang kila penlong ya ke jinyalang ban Ïasyllok Shapang Kibasa Beaiñ hapo them lum survey kabadiru kajaka kabadan hajan ka fire brigade station UDCSC sadhu ula ong ba kene ka kam kadangsa hapo kaying bishar par lapan ru ka kai pot kababnya now SP Halor ki kam Beaiñ ki bajia ha kate kajaka.
As we discussed it today, we are forming a joint committee of our office and Defence Estate Office and for Police and Municipal Board, and we are sending a team. So in addition to this law and order report that we are getting from the police, so as soon as we go for field inspection and verification, we will take immediate action to ensure that these activities should be stopped. The issue of the alleged illegal settlement in this Shillong Cantonment Board area. And in fact, in this area falls under Defence Estate Officer Guwahati. So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact, we told them that we will write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far, so that they said that they showed us that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defence Estate Office, so that is very clear. After this, when they issued eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court, has given stay order that the eviction has to be followed as per the law, due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defence Estate Office, that is to respond to the queries that is notice. So after this, we are expecting, basing on the discussion that we have discussed, a favorable decision in favor of this Defence Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this law and order.